Hello viewers, if you are looking to buy iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation, then this video is going to helpful for you. In this video, I will render 4K 60 FPS videos in InShot Video Editing app, and then you will have a clearer idea whether iPad 10 or iPad 11 can handle 4K 60 FPS video rendering. These footages have been taken from iPhone 14's camera in 4K 60 FPS mode, and I have stored these footages in my iPad 10th generation, and then I will edit these videos, and after that I will render in 4K 60 FPS. I will edit these footages with minimal effort. Normally, iPad 10th generation handles 4K 60 FPS videos with ease, but if you add too many pop-up, in that case there is some lag. Because while you are editing, you will add transition, you will add text, you will add pop-up windows, and you will also add music. After that I will add some text. After adding text, I will add a pop-up window on the top of this footage. So I have to click on pop-up, and then I will select a footage. Suppose I will selecting this footage, then I will enlarge this footage and also cut according to my preference. Here I will make a cut, and in this way I will delete the extended portion. After adding the pop-up window, I will add some text at the end of this footage. Now I will render these videos or footages into 4K 60 FPS mode. Already I have selected 4K 60 FPS, and I will click on the save button. Actually, whenever you are rendering anything, make sure that there are no background apps running in your iPad, so that it can easily and quickly render the video into 4K 60 FPS mode. As iPad 10th generation is capable enough to render 4K 60 FPS videos, I think iPad 11th generation or iPad 10th generation with A16 Bionic chipset can easily handle 4K 60 FPS videos. But you will face some problems if you edit a long video, suppose 10 minutes plus video on 4K 60 FPS with lots of PIP video or PIP videos. At the time of rendering into 4K 60 FPS, I saw that there was some problem while rendering, as you can see here. After rendering 20% plus, again it started with 11%. So maybe that iPad 10th generation is having some problem in rendering footages from iPhone 14's 4K 60 FPS videos. But ultimately iPad 10th generation succeeded in rendering the footages without failure. Now after rendering the footages into 4K 60 FPS, I will show you the final output of this video, so that you can see by yourself that there was no frame drops or there was no lag. iPad 10th generation was taking some time while opening this footage, but after opening it, there was no problem. It played naturally and without any hiccups. I think this video will clarify all your doubts regarding the video editing capability of iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation. No Android tablet is capable enough in this price bracket to handle 4K 60 FPS videos. So if you have a lot of editing task, you should definitely buy iPad 10 or 11 or iPad Air. So let me know in the comment sections below if you have benefited by this video or not, and if you want to know more about any tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.